IGBO Land, Igbo, also known as the southeastern Nigeria, but extends into south of same Nigeria. It is the indigenous homeland of the Igbo people. It is a cultural and common linguistic region in southern Nigeria. Geographically, it is divided into two sections by the lower Niger River, and eastern, the larger of the two, and western one. Its population is characterized by the diverse Igbo culture and speakers of equally diverse Igbo languages. Politically, Igbo Land is divided into several southern Nigerian states. Culturally, it has included several subgroups, including the Anioma and Inwani, the Umweri, Aguleri, Anan groups, the Ngwa, the Olu, Okigwe, Owewe communities, the Eza, the Ikwano, Umwaya. This includes Ohuhu, Ubakala, Oboro, Ibeku, and etc. The Oba, the Omuma, the Abamaro, Ohafia, Ebriba and Umboro, the Wawa, the Mbise, the Ikwere, the Ndoki, the Isu, and the Ekbeye. The traditional homeland of the Igbo people lies in the southeastern region of Nigeria. They are situated between the Niger and Cross River states, with the Ibibio, Ijo, Igala, Idoma, Edo as their neighbors. The ancient settlement at Igbo in eastern Nigeria was an outpost for West African long-distance trade routes. The arrival of Europeans on the coast of West Africa undermined the Saharan trade, but did not finally finish it until well into the 19th century. This also made the southern eastern region flourish, primarily trading slaves, but after the abolition of slave trade in 1807, turned to trading in palm products, timber, elephant tusk, and spices. The Igbos are a self-helping race who strongly believe in making themselves what they wish to be, hence the Igbo saying, Onye kwe chi ye kwe. They are a people rich in culture and tradition, although generally having similar cultures. They also show a local variation in cultures and customs. Based on these variations, the Igbo land can be divided into 5 main subgroups. 1. The Northern Igbo, Igbo Ukwu, Onitsha, Enugu, Nri, Oka. 2. The Western Igbo, Ogwashi Ukwu, Asaba, Abo. The Southern Igbo, Umuahia, Ngwa, Owerenta, Port Harcourt, Eleme. The Eastern Igbo, Afikpo, Arochukwu, Ohafia, Bende. 5. The Northeastern Igbo, Ogugu, Abekeleke. The primary Igbo states in Nigeria are Anambra, Abia, Imo, and Enugu, including Ebonyi states. The Igbos are also more than 25% of the population in some Nigerian states like Delta, Kogi, the River states. Traces of Igbo culture and languages could be found in Cross River, Bayelsa, Akwa Ibom, and Benue. After several military conquests, Igbo land now became under British colonial rule. This was a style of government not very popular amongst the Igbos. Hence, the British were faced with a lot of protests and resistance. But Igbo land still became a British colony. In 1900, the area that was once administered by the British Niger Company now became the Protectorate of Southern Nigeria. Control of this area then got passed from the British Foreign Office to the Colonial Office by 1900 to 1914. The northern and southern Nigeria were amalgamated. Then afterwards, the eastern region was formed and subsequently was divided into several other states. The Igbo, sometimes referred to as Igbo, are one of the largest single ethnic groups in Africa. Most Igbo speakers are based in southeast Nigeria, where they make up almost 17% of the population. They can also be found in significant numbers in Cameroon, the Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, Togo, and in the Americas.